Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to send a web receipt on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device. On the home screen, tap the Activity tab at the bottom right. This section stores all your recent transactions in chronological order, making it easy to find specific payments. Scroll through the list and select the transaction for which you need a receipt. This will bring up the transaction details screen, showing all relevant payment information. In the upper right corner, tap the three vertical dots to open the menu. From the drop-down options, select Web Receipt. The Cash App will then open the receipt in your device's default web browser, displaying a full breakdown of the transaction. At this point, you can either copy the receipt link to share via email or messaging apps, or download it for personal record keeping. So, that's basically how you can send a web receipt on Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.